Welcome back to NewZeroland. It's a beautiful day outside in New Zealand, so time for a ride. Charging up the Energica and charging up the Hyosung. What? Here in NewZeroland, we don't discriminate. Even gas bikes get plugged in. Yeah, it needed a charge because I haven't ridden this in over a month, and the battery was totally dead. And where we're going today, the Zero cannot make it because it's too far away. And I figure since the world is still pretty much shut down and you can't just come and visit New Zealand, why not shoot some travel videos around the country on an electric motorcycle so that you can see what it's like and like travel virtually, digitally. Anyway, hope you guys enjoy this. For today's ride, we'll be exploring White Rock Road. Apparently it's motorcycle heaven, and to get there you have to ride over the Rimutakas, which is also motorcycle heaven. There's a fast charger in Featherston where I can top up, and then it's a 50-kilometer ride through Martinborough to White Rock Road, and we'll turn around at Tuturumuri. Sorry. We met up with two more gas bike friends, and suddenly I was outnumbered. But seeing as there are only 2 Energicas in the country and about 15 Zeros, your chances of running into another electric bike are scant at best. But gas and electric can get along, and we've gotten to a point where they can go on road trips together too. Usually we just hit Macra, only because it's the closest windy road we have, but I realize you guys are probably sick of always seeing that road in my videos, so I'm skipping straight to the Rimutakas. This road is a real-life Ridge Racer fantasy. For everybody who commented on how slow I was riding in the last video, this is for you. Here's the thing though, I recently found out that if you go 40 km an hour over the speed limit in New Zealand, it's a $1,000 fine and you lose your license for a month. That, and if you screw up here and fly off the cliff, that's a serious drop. They'd probably never find your body, which is why I wear such a bright helmet. Who even knows what's down at the bottom of the ravine? Dinosaurs? Anyway, I'm at the point in life where I'd rather just cruise. Enjoy the scenery. As my dad says, there's no trophy at the end of the road. I'll keep all the high-speed, knee-draggy stuff for the track. Just kidding, I can't drag my knee. Another issue is that it takes so long to get here that I'm already down to 47% battery. This is my first time using the DC fast charger here though, and suddenly this spot in Featherston has become the perfect base to top up before venturing further. I've said before that electric motorcycling is a lot like a video game, and you can think of charging stations like checkpoints, or places on the map that you can refill your health. From here, I can continue north to more checkpoints, or head east to a bunch of other fun roads. While the bike was charging, we walked over to the bakery to get some pies. These pies are amazing, but this break was a lot shorter than we expected. It took 23 minutes to charge the bike back up to 95%, so I had to go back and unplug before we even finished eating. This is my first experience riding an electric motorcycle where the gas riders weren't waiting for me. Next up, we hit the road and headed toward Martinborough. This is the popular wine region of our area. Tons of vineyards, fancy restaurants. It's a cool place, but we rode straight through it, and we made a left on White Rock Road. Cue montage of amazing New Zealand scenery. We decided to turn around at Tuturumuri because I wanted to make it back on a single charge, which was easy, but also because I'm not riding on that. From here on out, the road is dirt, or White Rock Road. It all makes sense. If you have the range and the right kind of bike, DSR, you could take this road all the way out to the coast. But the sun was setting and the temperatures were dropping. Whatever it says on the dash, don't believe its lies. It was freezing out there. So we rode back to Featherston to charge up before heading home. I plugged in and we found a warm place to defrost with some hot chocolate. But before even taking my first sip, I got a notification that my bike had finished charging. It only took 18 minutes this time. 18 minutes, it just charges too fast now. What a ridiculous problem to have. It's like when you really want to get somewhere, it's too slow. But when you want to relax and warm up and have a hot chocolate, nope, you're done. Go move your bike. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this little travel video. I guess my overseas trips are also on hold, so I'll just be riding around New Zealand as much as I can, exploring more of the country I'm in. If you liked the video and you want to see more, let me know. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.